Hi, my name is Evi Felarca, and I am a Gold Wellness Advocate under Team DNA. I'm here to show you how to make lavender bath salts. Now, lavender is a calming and soothing oil. It's great for using to help anxious feelings or even help with your stress. And you can use it on your wounds or even burns. There's many different uses for lavender. And I have a super easy recipe for bath salts. And what you're going to need is Epsom salt. And you can find this at any drugstore, Walmart, Target. You'll need a container. I use a mason jar. And then you're also going to use your lavender essential oil and fractionated coconut oil. And what you'll do first is just fill your container. Now this is about 16 ounces. You can do big or small. Fill your container to the top. Make sure it's glass. Then add 15 to 20 drops of your essential oil, and then a tablespoon of your fractionated coconut oil, and you mix it all together in your container, shake it up, and then put a lid on it to store. When you are ready to use your bath salts, you use half a cup in your bath, so pour it into your bath, let the water run, and then you can soak. So that is the lavender bath salts recipe for today. If you have any questions, please post below, or you can contact your leader and they will answer your questions. Thank you.